Gold. It's the ultimate symbol of power, wealth, and stability. But before it becomes a shiny bar in a Swiss vault or a wedding ring on a finger, it has to survive a journey through industrial purgatory. We're talking crushing machines, toxic cyanide baths, and temperatures hot enough to melt bone. Most people think gold is just found. The truth? It's forged in fire and chemistry. The rarity factor. You'd think for all this effort, there'd be mountains of the stuff. Not even close. If you took every ounce of gold ever mined in human history and melted it into a single cube, it would only be about 22 meters wide. That's it. One single block that could fit inside a medium-sized apartment building. That's the scarcity we're dying for. The deep earth engineering. Mining at extreme depths isn't just about digging, it's about managing seismic pressure. The pop factor. In mines like Mponeng in South Africa, the pressure is so great that the rock can literally explode without warning, a phenomenon called a rock burst. To prevent this, engineers use preconditioning. They drill small holes and set off tiny mini blasts to release the energy before the miners arrive. The ventilation maze. Because these mines are so deep, the air is stagnant and toxic. Mining companies build refrigeration plants on the surface that are powerful enough to cool 20,000 homes just to pump slushy air down into the tunnels so miners don't succumb to heat stroke within minutes. The liberation advanced milling. Once the rock is powder, the gold is still often invisible, locked inside refractory ore. The autoclave, the giant pressure cooker. Some gold is double refractory, meaning it's wrapped in sulfide minerals that cyanide can't penetrate. To fix this, the slurry is put into an autoclave, a massive steel vessel that cooks the ore at 400 degrees Fahrenheit, 200 degrees Celsius, under extreme oxygen pressure. This burns the sulfur away, leaving the gold exposed. Bioleaching. In a futuristic twist, some mines use extremophile bacteria, Acidithiobacillus ferrooxidans. These rock-eating bacteria literally eat the iron and sulfur off the gold, acting as a natural biological pre-treatment. The strip, recovery chemistry. After the cyanide has dissolved the gold, we have to undissolve it. The elution column. The gold-soaked carbon from the previous step is placed in a high-pressure cylinder. A boiling eluent solution, caustic soda and cyanide, is pumped through it. This washes the gold off the carbon and into a concentrated liquid called pregnant solution. Electrowinning cells. This liquid goes into a tank filled with steel wool cathodes. As electricity passes through, the gold atoms plate onto the steel wool, creating a muddy, gold-encrusted wool that looks like junk but is worth millions. The fire assay, the ultimate test. Before a bar is sold, it undergoes a fire assay, the most accurate analytical method in chemistry, used for 3,000 years. The cupel. A tiny sample of the gold is wrapped in lead foil and placed in a bone ash crucible called a cupel. The bone ash magic. In an 1800 degree Fahrenheit, 1000 degrees Celsius furnace, the lead and impurities oxidize and are absorbed by the bone ash cupel, leaving only a tiny bead of precious metal. Parting. That bead is dropped into nitric acid. The acid dissolves the silver, but leaves the gold. By weighing what's left on a scale sensitive to 0.000001 grams, The refinery determines the exact purity. The vault life and the London good delivery. Not all gold bars are created equal. The gold standard of bars is the London Good Delivery, LGD bar. The shape. These aren't the small bricks you see in movies. An LGD bar weighs about 400 troy ounces, 27 pounds, or 12.4 kilograms. The specifications. To be good delivery, a bar must be cast with a specific trapezoidal shape for easy stacking, have a purity of at least 995.0 parts per thousand, and bear the stamp of a refinery that has been vetted by the LBMA, London Bullion Market Association. The chain of integrity. Once an LGD bar enters a professional vault, like the New York Fed or HSBC, it stays there. If a bar is ever removed from a secure vault and taken home by an individual, it loses its chain of integrity and must be completely reassayed and remelted before a bank will trust it again. Gold isn't just money, it is a cosmic accident. Every ounce of gold on Earth arrived here via asteroid impacts billions of years ago. We are literally tearing apart the planet to find fragments of stars.